àbà agbógunlérí orúkọ àápè ikú sẹ́rẹ̀jọ bí ẹ̀bọ̀dà tó ń kuná lẹ́sìn. My name na Inspector Fobubura. As papa say make I do this thing I wan do am because if government no fit help us we go help ourselves. Shebi na our proverb say na fish na im big fish dey chop before e get body. I no go dey for this land make I no get money. Oya aláàlú ògiri òkò ọ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀kùn sunkún kẹrù ọ̀bẹ̀lẹ̀kùn. It is you that cry and the person wey get cry he begin dey fear because na you the person wey get cry he dey cry water dey comot from him face but you as Laroye na blood na you dey cry. I call on you now wake up go inside market go and call ori gbigbe and ori tutu dry ori and bolobolo ori go to anywhere go and bring wahala go and bring a job. Oya now me Inspector Fobubura as government no wan help us if you look at my age now apart from official age I don wear. Monkey dey work babu dey chop. Monkey e dey work babu come dey chop. Na all our people na im dey chop money we no get any money. Boda Emeka don retire na conductor im dey do. Boda Seku don retire na organizer e go dey do. Aliyu don retire e no get pension e no get attitude. I no wan make my own be like that. Yahoo boys make dem come, armed robbers make dem come. Na the one wey get money o. Any small wahala make dem dey call my number. Láworíwo jíwó láworíwo jíwó. Ògiri òkò na so e be for àgùntàn na so e be for ewúrẹ́. Make una no blame me o, make una no blame me o. Na our people say fish big fish go chop small fish before e get body. Nobody dey help me na me go help myself.